Hey everyone, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores. I'm going to show you how to make two delicious cocktails that you can serve up this New Year's Eve to your friends. We're going to start off by making a simple syrup. So add some water to a pot along with some sugar. All we want to do is simply bring this to a boil so that the sugar completely dissolves, just like you see here. We're going to add in some ice cubes to help cool it down. Go ahead and set it to the side. And for our first drink, we have an apple cranberry sparkling wine. So we're going to start off by adding in some sweet prosecco sparkling wine. The next thing I'm going to do is hit it with some apple cider beer. Adds a nice little kick. And finally, some cranberry juice. Incredibly simple. Finish it off with some fresh or frozen cranberries and, of course, a straw. Super simple way to bring in the new year and extra tasty. The next one is going to be a sweet grapefruit pomegranate sparkling wine. So start off with that sweet prosecco. Next, we're going to add in that simple syrup, some grapefruit juice, and a little bit of orange juice to help cut the bitterness from that grapefruit. We finish off with a garnish of a grapefruit wedge and some pomegranate seeds. So incredibly easy to make and extra refreshing, my friends. You, your friends, and your guests will love to ring in the new year with these excellent cocktails.